Some wind damage over here. As you can see, it's probably pretty old. A lot of granular loss throughout the roof. And there's some serious decking problems. Right there, as you can tell. Some serious warped decking. As you can see, there's more wind damage. And these are easy to spot damages. Those are easy to spot, but you have to get a person who knows what they're doing in order to spot things like this. This creased shingle, it's unsealed, it's still wind damage. I mean, it comes up super easy. A bunch of granular loss here. Some wind damage. All in this area. You should have someone from Brentwood who's qualified in order to come out and inspect your roof, and hopefully you can get it bought just like this one. Thank you. Have a good day.